Pronouns Power-Up. Perfect your English grammar. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to discuss an important aspect of English grammar, replacing nouns with pronouns. But it's not just about practice, it's also about review, feedback, and strategic improvement. So buckle up, because we're about to boost your pronoun prowess. Feedback is the breakfast of champions, even in language learning. When we replace nouns with pronouns, feedback can help us identify any errors and rectify them. This way, we'll gradually minimize our mistakes, and our language usage will become more fluent and natural. Feedback comes in various forms. Maybe a language teacher correcting your exercises, or an online tool underlining a mistake. The important part is not just to correct the mistake, but to understand why it was a mistake. Was it a mismatch in gender? Or perhaps the wrong type of pronoun was used? Recognizing the error patterns helps to avoid them in the future. The key to mastery is consistent practice. Try using different types of pronouns in various contexts. Then, review your sentences, get feedback, and make corrections. Use your errors as stepping stones to improve your grammar. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They are an essential part of the learning journey. Now, let's put theory into practice with some exercises. Try replacing the nouns in sentences with suitable pronouns. Once done, review your answers and analyze your mistakes. Why did you make them? What rule did you overlook? Answering these questions will strengthen your understanding and reduce future errors. To improve, try developing a routine. Make it a point to practice pronoun replacement every day. Keep a record of your common mistakes and review them often. Use flashcards or apps for quick, on-the-go practice. Above all, stay patient and persistent. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. That's it for today's lesson on replacing nouns with pronouns, and using feedback and improvement strategies to enhance your language skills. Keep practicing, keep reviewing, and you'll see your proficiency growing. Remember, every pro was once an amateur, and every expert was once a beginner. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.